Tensions between India and Pakistan hit a boiling point on Thursday evening. The Civil Aviation Ministry announced that 24 airports have been shut for civil flight operations. The decision came after Pakistan launched fresh drone and missile attacks on Indian territory. These attacks targeted cities in Jammu, Punjab, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. Here is the full list of airports closed: Chandigarh, Srinagar, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Buntar, Kishangarh, Patiala, Shimla, Kangra Gagal, Bhatinda, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Halwara, Pathankot, Jammu, Leh, Mundra, Jamnagar, Hirasa, Rajkot, Porbandar, Keshore, Kandla, and Bhuj. It started with Indian defense systems intercepting a suspected drone and missile incursion over Jammu. Soon after, reports came in of explosions across parts of Punjab, sensitive zones in Rajasthan, and other locations along India's western border. Air raid sirens blared, cities went into blackout mode, and panic briefly spread in northern regions. The Ministry of Defense later confirmed that the strike was of Pakistani origin. The tension was so high that an IPL match underway in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh, was suspended. This major escalation follows India's recent move, Operation Sindoor. New Delhi had launched the operation as a targeted military strike inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The strike was in retaliation for the April 22nd terrorist attack in Pahalgam. Operation Sindoor reportedly aimed to destroy terror infrastructure across the border. Airlines quickly issued advisories to passengers. Many flights from the shut airports will remain suspended until Saturday. Airlines have urged passengers traveling through operational airports to reach early. They warned of enhanced security checks and longer formalities. Indigo cancelled 165 flights on Wednesday alone. Air India and Air India Express reported a similar number of cancellations. 2 international Air India flights en route from Amritsar, close to Lahore, were diverted to Delhi due to the sudden airport shutdown. Stay tuned for more updates as the India-Pakistan situation develops further. This is the most intense flashpoint the region has seen in recent years.